To install or replace the batteries of a 1-for-all Essence remote, first turn the remote control over. You'll see a small crease about 1/3 of the way from the top. Gently press on the tab and push down to release the cover. Pay attention to the battery indicator, as it will show you which way to install the 4 AAA batteries. Once the batteries are inserted, replace the cover and gently click into position. Turn the remote control back over and press the power button. The blue flash indicates that the batteries are installed correctly.